As I mentioned before, all these examples use the same exact scale fingering. This doesn't mean that we're playing just one mode though. This scale fingering and these examples can actually be played over at least 7 harmonic contexts and sound fresh every time. Of course, this is not a theory course, so I can't go into details about this. Just make sure that at the end of this lesson you try them out with all 7 provided backing tracks. Here's the first one in 7 different harmonic contexts. Now let's analyze it. I started with a 7-note descending string fragment. Then I changed direction from descending to ascending on the 7th note, and I played a 4-note ascending scale fragment. Then I changed directions again and played an 8-note fragment. Then I changed directions again and played a 3-note fragment. Then I skipped down the interval of a third. And then I changed directions once more and played a 2-note fragment. Did you notice how many times I changed direction? This happens in music all the time. Yet musicians usually just practice their scales up and down and never target this skill specifically. As you try to play these examples faster, you will see that these direction changes will give you the most trouble. In lesson 4, we will learn how to practice and master this skill, which is not really very hard. It's just that it's usually not practiced on purpose. After we do that, you'll have one of the biggest keys to unlocking your soloing potential. Also keep in mind that for the next few lessons we will be using just this same scale fingering because I want us to focus on building core skills. But don't worry about that because in later lessons we will talk about applying linear freedom over many different kinds of scales. Now that you have a better understanding of what we're doing, go ahead and practice the 3 examples again, this time over all 7 model backing tracks. As you observe the sound in each different context, your ears are starting to become more and more involved in your playing. The 7 different tracks also give you the opportunity to try these lines at different speeds and over different rhythmic backgrounds, which is also very good for you. Take your time with this, enjoy it, because it's a fun way to practice, and I will see you in lesson 4, where we will begin to build muscle memory in our fretting hand.